As we continue, we now present the brilliant composition Gokula Bala Varnam. A Varnam is a challenging and elaborate piece, inviting all the dancer's skills to accumulate all at once. It is a demanding piece, testing not only the stamina of the dancer, but the skill and imaginative ability of the dancer to improvise and successfully alternate between nrita, pure dance, and abhinaya, expression. A varnam consists of a series of jatis broken up by pallavis and anupallavis, otherwise known as stanzas, alongside swarajatis, characterized by its equal emphasis on rhythmic pattern and melodic lyrical enunciation, and powerful sancharis, otherwise known as expressive stories. This particular Varnam is about the 8th incarnation of Lord Vishnu, Lord Krishna, the god of love, compassion, and protection. He appears blue in color, otherwise referred to as Nila Megha Shyama, meaning the one who is dark like a rain-filled cloud. He also bears a vibrant peacock feather on top of his head, which symbolizes his beauty, playfulness, and connection to nature. In Hindu mythology, he's famously portrayed as the mischievous prankster, beloved cowherder, skilled flute player, divine child, and the supreme being. Krishna is also recognized as a divine hero, slaying demons and ignorance, the one who the gopis cherish, the valiant warrior who destroys ignorance as well, the one who joyfully danced on the evil 9-headed snake Kalinga, and Sharadinaye, meaning the Lord as the charioteer. The various representations of Lord Krishna highlight his multi-dimensional nature, encompassing qualities that resonate with everyone on different levels: spiritual, philosophical, and emotional. In the first Sanchari of this Varnam, the beloved Lord Krishna played pranks on the Gopikas. In the beautiful land of Vrindavan, every Gopika was in love with Lord Krishna and wanted a husband just like him. So for a whole month, all the Gopikas prayed to Goddess Durga, cleansing themselves in the river and observing a fast for an entire month. One day, amongst all the excitement of prayers, the Gopikas entered the river, removing their clothing. This is viewed as sinful in Hindu customs, as rivers are considered to have utmost respect as they embody the nurturing nature of Mother Earth. Goddess Yamuna, the main tributary of the Ganga River, was furious upon seeing this. Lord Krishna, observing this, decided to teach the Gopikas a lesson. While the Gopikas were bathing, Lord Krishna took their garments and hid them on top of a tree. Upon realizing that their clothes were gone, they asked him why he would do this. Krishna was the one who took their garments, remind you. Krishna explained to them that what actually pleased him was their respect to all motherly figures, including Mother Nature. He made the Gopikas seek forgiveness and help them understand that nature is equivalent to our mothers. We must respect nature just as we would respect our mothers. In the next segment, Gopikas are walking with water pots on their head across the village when the mischievous Lord Krishna took a slingshot and broke the Gopikas' pots, causing all their water to fall. The Gopikas chased him while he runs away, overzealous in his divine nature. This Sanchari teaches us about Krishna's contrasting traits of mischief and purposefulness, to show that fulfillment can only be achieved by balance. The second Sanchari depicts the epic story of Gajendra Moksha. One day, Gajendra, an elephant king, was bathing happily in the river, sprouting water from his trunk and cleansing himself blissfully, when unexpectedly, a lurking crocodile emerged from the lake, seizing Gajendra's leg in a vice-like grip. Despite valiant efforts to break free and the desperate pleas of his elephant companions, Gajendra found himself ensnared in the relentless clutches of the crocodile. Abandoned by his herd in the face of impending doom, Gajendra, depleted of strength, called out to Vishnu, holding a lotus aloft as a humble offering. Witnessing his divine approach, Lord Vishnu wielded his Sudarshana chakra, severing the crocodile's head and liberating Gajendra from mortal peril. Vishnu revealed that Gajendra, in his past life, was a great king and a devotee to Vishnu. One day, a revered rishi visited him when he was performing a ritual and thus could not receive and welcome the rishi in the proper way. The sage cursed him that in his next birth, he would become an elephant. Lord Vishnu helped Gajendra understand that his attack by the crocodile was not an accident, but a result of his karma. That by disrespecting his elders in his past life, he had to face the effect of it in his present life. This teaches us that all our actions have consequences and that life is an endless cycle of cause and effect, and to do good and to spread goodness as well. This vibrant Varnam is composed by Srimati Raji Narayanan and set to Ragam Kalyani and Talam Adi. The artists performing this piece are Tejasvi, Samriddhi, Hasini, Sarayu, Kartika, Bhavita, Vinona, and Alicia. Please enjoy.
Gopi ತಲಂಕು ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕಿಟ ತದಿಗಿಂಡ ತಂ ತಾಟಿ ಕುಡಿ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ ಡಿಂಗು ತಕಿಟ ತಕ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುಕುತ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುಕುತ ಕುಕುತ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುತ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುತ ದುರ್ಗುಡ್ದ ತಲಂಕು ತಕ ತಾಟಿ ಕುಡಿ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ ತಕಿಟ ತಕ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುತೈ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುತೈ ಕುಕುತೈ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುತ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುತ ದುರ್ಗುಡ್ದ ತಲಂಕು ತಕ ತಕ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುತ ತಕ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುತೈ ತಕ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುತ ಕರ್ದಕ ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕುತೈ ತಾಡಿಕು ಡಿಂಗು ತಕತ ಡಿಂಗು ನಕತ ಡಿಂಗು ಕರ್ದಕ ಡಿಂಗು ತ ದೆ ತಾಂ ತ ಕರ್ದಕ ದರ್ಗಿಡದಂ ತಾಂ ದೆ ತಾಂ ತ ದೆ ತಾಂ ಕರ್ದಕ ದರ್ಗಿಡದಂ ತ ದೆ ತಾಂ ತ ಕರ್ದಕ ದರ್ಗಿಡದಂ
ಗೋಕುಲ ಪಾಗನ ಗೋಪಿಯರು தந்தரோடும் தபசீராகும் வரம் தந்தரோடும் தபசீரா வரம் தந்தரோடும் தபசீரா தந்தரோடும் தபசீரா
ಜುಲ್ಲು ಜುಲ್ಲು ದಿವಿ ದಿವಿ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ತಾಂ ತರಿತ ತನತ್ತ ತಾಂ ಜನುತ್ತ ದಿಮಿತ್ತ ತರಿ ತದನ ತನ ತಾಂ ತಜಂ ತರುಂ ಗದಿಂ ತಕಿಟ ತನ ತಜನು ಜನು ತೈ ತಜಂ ತರುಂ ಗದಿಂ ತಕಿಟ ತರಿ ತದನ ತನ ತಜನು ಜನುತ್ತ ದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ಸರಿ ತದಣತ ತನತ ಜೋಡು ಜೋಡು ತದಿಮಿ ತೈ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತ ರೀ ತ ದಣ ತ ಜನು ತ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತನತ ಜನುತ್ತ ದಿಮಿ ತ ತಕತ ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಕತ ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಕತ ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತ ರೀ ತ ದಣ ತ ಜನು ತ ದಿಮಿ ತರಿತ ತಣ್ಣತ ಜನ್ನುತ್ತ ದಿಮ್ಮಿತ್ತ ತಕತ ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಕತ ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಕತ ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತ ರೀ ತ ದಣ ತ ಜನ್ನು ತ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತರಿತ ದಣ ತಣ್ಣತ ಜನ್ನು ಜನ್ನು ತ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತರಿತ ತಕತ ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತಕತ ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ ತರಿಡು 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 ತಕತ ದಿಂಗಿನ ತುಂ
வரம் தந்தரோடும் தவசிலாகோ
ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ ತ ದಿಂಗಿಣ ತುಂ ದೀನು ತತ ದಿಮಿತ ತತ ಜಂ ತಕ ಜಂ ತ ಜಂ ತರುಂ ಯದಿ ತಕ ದೀನು ತತ ದಿಮಿತ ತತ ಜಂ ತಕ ಜಂ ತ ಜಂ ತರುಂ ಯದಿ ತಕ ದೀನು ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ ಜುಣು ತ ದಿತ್ತಂ ಕಡದಗ ದರ್ಗಿಡ್ದೋಂ ತ ದಿತ್ತಂ ಕಡದಗ ದರ್ಗಿಡ್ದೋಂ ಕಡದಗ ತ ದಿತ್ತಂ ಕಡದಗ ದರ್ಗಿಡ್ದೋಂ
பலையை உடை மடம் புரிந்து கோப பாரதடி கனிவுடன் காத்தன்னை தேவா மார்மை புகழும் வேதா முனி ஜனனி அபயமா
జం తరికి తక తా తా తాది తా తాది తా తాది తక తరికి తక తక ది తక నక జం తరికి తక ది తక నక జం తరికి తక తక తా తాది తా తాది తా తాది తక తరికి తక తా ది తక నక జం తక తరికి తక నక ది తక నక జం తక తరికి తక తక ది తక నక జం తక తరికి తక ది తక నక జం తక తరికి తక జం తరి తక తరి జన జన తకు కుంతరి తతారి తతాని తజను తదిమి తతా ది తజం తకది సజం తా సజం తా ది ది న తుం తా కడదక తరికిడదం తా ది కడదక తరికిడదం తా కడదక తరికిడదం తా ది తా కడదక తరికిడదం
தி இடமேக வண்ணம் மனம் இறங்காயுதவேக வண்ணம் மனம் நீரவேக வண்ண மனம் இறங்காயுதவேக வண்ணம் மனம் இறங்காயுதவேக மனம் இருந்தாயோ போதில் வதைத்து மனம் கலங்கி நின்ற பார்த்தன் தனக்கே ஜனன மரணமுடன் போரில் வதைத்து மனம் கலங்கி